down, but I'll put the flame out. You can't get to me. Throw your sticks and your stones, go break all of my bones. You won't make my soul. You can't get to me. And there is no barricade that I can tear away. Shoot me down with fire away, away. But I'm a heavyweight. I'm a heavyweight. I'm a heavyweight. I'm a
Whiskey traffic, 12 o'clock, 2 miles, helicopter, altitude indicates 600, climbing for Civic North departure. 1 Romeo Whiskey, will be whiskey traffic.
But I'm a heavyweight. I'm a heavyweight. I'm a heavyweight. I'm a heavyweight.
Clear the bushes.
Push me down to the ground.
Tail's clear. Always check your tail clear. All right, so now we're actually going to set it down right here.
Say what you want to say. Go take it all away. But I'm here to stay.
You got it.
You can't get to me.
All right.
There is no
Crazy. Oh, go ahead and take it. You can look at it. Yeah. Okay.
Shoot me down, go fire away, away. But I'm a heavyweight. I'm a heavyweight. I'm a heavyweight. I'm a heavyweight.
Take off. Much better. Yeah. Here we go. Power. Good, good, good. And it's a little bit of rising terrain, but that'll be okay. There you go. That way, I didn't have to take off into those trees. That's good. Just to show you that what you can do. You know, let me get you up to some altitude. We gotta head back to Palomar, so.
But I'm a heavyweight. I'm a heavyweight. I'm a heavyweight. I'm a Push me down to the ground. What goes around comes around. You won't put the flame out. You can't get to me. Say what you wanna say. Go take it all away. But I'm here to stay. No, you can't get to me. And there is no barricade that I can tear away. Shoot me down, go fire away, away. But I'm a heavyweight. I'm a heavyweight. I'm a heavyweight. I'm a heavyweight.
RPM low, lower some collector, 60 knots, look the runway. You get RPM going up, pull over pitch. RPM goes down, lower some collector. 100. 50. Look the ground, look the ground. And level. You have to see what the light is so you can see how high you are, right?
But I'm a heavyweight.